Good morning. This is Rick Gray. I just want to talk a little bit this morning about setting yourself apart. If you're in the sales industry, like I am, I just want to talk about a few things to get you thinking this morning. Number one is, what is your unique selling proposition? In other words, what makes you different than everybody else? What makes you stand out? Do you have a call to action that's going to get people to call you or going to get people to take action? That's really one of the first things as a really elite salesperson that you need to think about and you need to define for yourself and then communicate that to the community at large. What makes you different? Think about going into a grocery store and going to the fruit and vegetable aisle on the edge of the stores, and you see all the oranges. You see 100 oranges all scattered, and they all look exactly the same. That's what we salespeople look like to our prospects upon first glance. We all look the same. So how are we going to stand out? What's going to make us different than everybody else? I call that your unique selling proposition, and it's what we call a call to action. Why should somebody call you? If you have an advertisement on social media, if you use the radio like I've used before, if you use the internet, what is it that you're saying that's going to get your prospect to call you? Okay, and in thinking about that, when you think about your unique selling proposition, think about what is your strategy to build a list. Because next to your bank account, your customer list is the most important asset your business has, especially as a salesperson. Your customer list. Do you have squeeze pages? Do you have a capture page? Do you have opt-ins? Do you have a website that's going to help you passively build your list of customers? These are things you should be thinking about if you're a salesperson. What is my call to action and unique selling proposition? And then what is my process for building a list? Because that list of customers is really valuable. We'll talk more about this in the future, but for now, think about that. Think about really defining a unique selling proposition for yourself. I'll give you some ideas on some good ones here coming up very soon. Have a great day.